Drake, Ed Sheeran, and I have in common? Simple. All three of us make a full-time living off of the music industry. I might not make as much as they do, but still, I'm happy to wake up to $16,402.11 payments in my PayPal account. And no, I did not create any music. Sadly, I don't have that good of a voice. All I do is listen to music while doing my everyday activities, and I get a flood of payments directly to my account. It's all possible by using a system that leverages a hidden loophole in the $7.2 billion music industry, allowing me to profit an average of $50 every time I stream a new song, only working a few minutes a day, and it doesn't require any experience either. And in the next 60 seconds, I'm going to show you how I did it. You see, it all started when I was struggling at the beginning of my life. I wasn't born with a golden spoon in my mouth. So I did what I do best. I turned to the internet for a solution. I started buying product after product in the hopes of finally getting a breakthrough. I fell victim to the fake gurus of the internet who sold me BS and was happy to take the little money I had. And I was left with $10,000 debt and $0 coming in. Talk about rock bottom. It wasn't until one night I had my eyes glued to my laptop screen and my heart started racing from the 6 cups of coffee I chugged, when suddenly I had an epiphany. I realized all I need is a very simple system, and it must be very simple to use, overcomplicating never works, something I love, requires little to no work, not require any upfront cost. I finally had a clear idea of what I wanted. I immediately stopped buying BS products and started working on my own system. Fast forward 10 months, I finally have a working system. I'm happy to introduce to you SpotiCash, the world's first system that pays me to listen to music. I know it sounds strange, but just look at the payments I got on a daily basis for simply vibing to my favorite music. There is no limit too. I can listen all day long while I'm going on with my life. Payments quickly add up to $1,000 every day. And here's the best part. You don't have to do anything special. You don't have to be an artist. Heck, you don't even have to actively listen. You just pop the music in the background and you're in business. Exciting, huh? It's all possible by leveraging the $7.1 billion music industry. It's a huge and profitable industry, and all it takes is just 3 steps. Step 1. Create your account. Simply click on any of the buttons on this page and get instant access to SpotiCash. Step 2. Pick your favorite artist. Select from thousands of artists and vibe to the music. Step 3. Get paid. That's it. You get paid for every song you stream. If you think this works only for me, you're wrong. It works for anyone. I share this exact system with hundreds of people, and all of them are making money. Just take a look at a few of our members' earnings. Jim M., a single father from Colorado, USA. Mark S., a college dropout from Atlanta, USA. Sarah P., a stay-at-home mother from Lyon, France. All of that is possible by using the power of SpotiCash. Oh, did I mention that you can use it from anywhere in the world? It works on your laptop or mobile phone. All you need is just an internet connection and you're good to go. Are you ready to join over 300 plus profitable members? It's very easy once you have the system. We left no stone unturned. Everything you need to start getting a plethora of $50 payments is included in our system. Nothing else is required. You probably think it's going to be expensive, right? Wrong. You see, when I first started, I was in a really bad place. I had mountains of debt and barely any money coming in. And it killed me to see that everything that can help me was very expensive. I couldn't afford it, although I needed it the most. It felt like the system is designed to make the rich richer. Nothing makes me more angry than that. And although it took me 10 months and tens of thousands of dollars to develop SpotiCash, I'm willing to slash the prices down for you, just to give the chance to anyone who seriously needs it to get it. You see, originally I charged $297 a month for SpotiCash, but I won't charge you anywhere near that. Look, I'm 100% sure you've been burnt before, and I know you work hard every day just so you can survive. So for a limited time only, you will only pay a small one-time price. That's the same as a cheap t-shirt. That way I can make sure that people who really need that system get it. There's a catch though. While this system is impossible to saturate, our system can only handle so many customers at once, because we want to give our members the best care we could and help each one of them to succeed. We can't accept more customers than we can handle. That's why we'll be closing the system once we reach that point. After that, you can't access it anymore. Oh, and I almost forgot. You're protected by our 30-day money-back guarantee. So if for any reason you didn't like SpotiCash, just send us a message and you'll get every penny back. What are you waiting for? Click the button below and secure your copy of SpotiCash at a low one-time fee. I'll see you on the inside.